This is a message issued by the security of Doors Containment and Protection. An entity by the name of Attack has escaped. Before Attack's presence, all lights in your home will flicker. Once this happens, face away from all windows, duck down into the fetal position and wait for the event to end. Attack remains outside and will rebound 2 times before retreating. If you go outside, carry a crucifix. And you do not have one, remain inside and wait for the all clear message. All clear. I repeat, all clear. This is a message issued by Doors Containment and Protection. Attack has been contained. Normal programming will now resume.